Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on desktop. First, understand your options. You can subscribe to Microsoft 365, which includes Excel and other apps, or make a one-time purchase for a perpetual license. There's also a free, web-based version for basic tasks. We'll cover each method to help you choose the best fit for your needs. A Microsoft 365 subscription is a popular choice, offering Excel along with a suite of other powerful applications like Word and PowerPoint. You also get 1 terabyte of cloud storage with OneDrive, ensuring your files are always accessible. This subscription model provides continuous feature updates and dedicated technical support, keeping your software current and secure. If you prefer not to subscribe, a one-time purchase of Excel is an option. This gives you a perpetual license for a specific version, installed on one computer without any recurring fees. For lighter use, remember the free Excel for the web. It runs in your browser and handles basic spreadsheets, though it lacks some advanced desktop features. Once you've chosen your method, installation is straightforward. For subscriptions or one-time purchases, log into your Microsoft account, download the installer, and follow the on-screen prompts. Always check your system requirements to ensure smooth operation. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.